Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about simple clamp. So this is the clamp I'm going to create. So here we can learn how to create base flange and how to create middle flange, edge flanges, tab, cutouts and hole features, and fold and unfold options and break corner. So let's start now. Select the front plane, go to sketch, create simple rectangle. So it's better to take center point rectangle. Select two perpendicular edges, make it equal. Here it is 20. So go to sheet metal, go to base flange. So sheet thickness is 2 mm and K factor I have taken a 0.4. Now I am going to create this top circular flange. Go to sheet metal, select edge flange. Here it should be material inside. Take one circle, move little bit outside and go for trim. And trim all these lines. Now see, we have to give a dimension always from outside edge. So this is 5 mm. So to avoid this problem, before giving dimension we have to give equal constraint to both the lines. And radius 20. $25. So say here we have to create one more feature. So take some rectangle. So this is the outside feature I am going to create. So go to trim, go for power trim and delete these lines. Make these two lines equal. And this edge is 5 mm. and this is 20. So come out of this sketch. Now we can see this circular flange. Now we have to create other side. So once again we have to go to edge flange, select this, say OK. Now go to edit sketch, keep it normal. For better visibility, go to wireframe, select this edge and convert entity, select this edge, convert entity, delete this edge, and here we have to trim these two lines. So we have to go to corner trim, now select this edge and convert entity, so these two flanges are created now. So this simplifies the task, as well as whenever we modify this top flange, automatically it reflects on the bottom flange. So that is the advantage. Next, I'm going to create this bottom flange for clamping. So here I'm going to create with meter flange. So let me give the dimensions. This is 13. This is 5. This is 1.8. This is 135. So here radius I need to give 1 mm. See here. So this part is created now. Now let's create the top flange. So select the edge flange. So here there will be an interference. When we see from right side view, there is an interference. So what we have to do is, we have to select this and make offset of 0.2. We can give any clearance based on the requirement. So here I am giving 0.2. Otherwise this flange shows the error. So offset is mandatory. So it is giving, still it is giving an error. So let's see. So 0.3 I am giving. So there is no intersection. So now we can understand why we use this offset, mostly for clearance. Now this sketch we need to edit. It is around 12 mm. So this is done now. Now I am going to create the side flanges. So edge flange, select this edge, this edge, and it is 6. And here we have to give outside. See, there is a tear in the sheet metal. So what we have to do is we have to edit this. In sheet metal we have to verify each and every feature after creation, otherwise it creates a lot of problem after completing of the component, mostly while flat pattern. So this is how. Now select this unfold, select this base, collect all bends and say OK. Now select this face and keep it normal. Go to sketch, move this circle near to this edge and we get the center point. Simply click on the center point and place the circle. Similarly, place one more circle. Now we have to go to sheet metal and cut extrude. Since it is a large circle, we will consider as a cut extrude. So we don't have to go for simple hole feature. So before that we have to create this small tab feature, this rectangular. So we have to roll back to before unfold. Here we have to select the top face, keep it normal, go to sketch. Here we have to select this edge, convert entity and take 2 lines. Now select this center point and this line and make it 20. Okay. Now we have to go to trim option, go to corner trim, select these 2 lines. Because if you take power trim, there is a possibility of open loop. So we have to use corner trim. So the loop completely closes. select this line and it is around 6 mm. Say OK. Now we have to go to sheet metal and base flange, and that is tab feature. Say OK. So this tab feature is created. Now we have to roll back, roll to end. Now we have to create these small holes. So the small holes I am taking all in one feature. So select this face, go to sheet metal. Now I am taking as a simple hole. So just say OK. Save this file. Now go to sketch, edit sketch, keep it in wireframe, take this as a 2 mm. So this comes near to this place. Now select this line, convert entity, and make construction. Go to center line, create 2 center lines. These are for mirroring as well as giving dimensions. So the distance between center line and this hole is 16.5. Now we have to create few more holes. This is 36. Make it vertical, and we have to create 2 holes. So the 2 larger holes. So this is 12 mm. Say OK. So these whole features are created. Now we have to create fold feature. Collect all bends. Say OK. So I have to create one more feature. It is fillet feature with a break corner. So this is how we create this kind of clamps. Thank you.